Okay guys, so today we're going to make a grain-free, keto-friendly bread. So let's get started. Guys, so these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our keto-friendly bread. So we're going to use 1 cup of almond flour. We're going to use 4 eggs, a 1/4 cup of butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Here I have a small loaf pan, and the reason why I have a small loaf pan is because of the quantity of ingredients that I'm using. So to help it to come out easier, I just put some parchment paper in my loaf pan here. Alright, so let's get to putting everything together. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is put our 4 eggs into our bowl, and then we're going to use our hand mixer and we're going to blend everything completely. So we just want to mix that all thoroughly. Alright, so now we're going to add in our butter. So we have now added our butter to our egg mixture, and again we're going to combine that nicely, combine that together, incorporate everything. Alright, that looks about right. Now I'm going to add in my 1 cup of almond flour, and again we're going to incorporate everything together. The almond flour there was giving me a little problem to come out, a little bit remained in the cup, so we're just going to scrape that out into the bowl. There we have it. Alright, so now let's mix everything nicely together. We want to make sure that we don't have any lumps. I'm adding in now the salt. Right, so we're just going to mix the salt in, and then I'm adding in my baking powder, and again we're just going to mix everything together thoroughly and try to make sure that's a smooth and batter that we have, and that we don't really have any lumps in it. Alright, so now that everything is mixed nicely, I'm just going to get my spatula, and we're now going to empty this into our loaf pan. Alright, so now we're going to put this into our preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. It all depends on your oven, so you can always check to make sure that it's cooked properly. So maybe you can use a toothpick or even a knife, stick it down inside, pull it back out. Once it comes out clean, then you know that your bread is completely cooked. So let's head over to the oven. You saw how easy that came out there? That's why I like working with parchment paper. All right, so we're going to leave this here to cool. We're going to leave it here to cool completely, and then we will cut into it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, give the video the thumbs up, and of course share this video with family and friends so that they too can see how easy it is to make a keto-friendly bread. See you in my next video. Bye for now.